Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my friends, to my new tutorial of our FBD language part 2. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you that first of all, learn ladder language, which in my previous videos, watch my previous videos. When you learn ladder language easily, if you understand our ladder language, then FBD is not hard for those who understand ladder language. So, first, watch my previous videos to understand ladder language, then you will start FBD, because I just tell you, because without learning ladder you will not understand how FBD is going to work. I am just going to show a little bit things, because if you understand ladder language, you will easily design an FBD language. So first of all, I am just going to, it's my part 2. I am just going to show you, in the previous lecture we are just discussing basics operation. But in this lecture I am just going to tell you, learn how, I'm going to show you how about some things, math operators and these other things. So I'm just briefly explain you, but I am give you some ideas. So must open your mics, speakers, volume, increase your volume of your speakers. So I just give you some hints. So let's see, you are going to that. It is my end, and how you are going to use a timer. So first of all, you will go to there and make like them timer there. So I think you will understand how I just going to paste a timer there. So I'm just going to open M0.0 there, and M0.1, and in the PT I am just going to add 2 seconds, which is enough. And in ET I am just going to put I think I know it, so I am just using MW4. Uh, I think ET does not need that. Just I am putting some equals to there. So it's directly a Q0.0. So I just open my, I think wash tables is not enough to show you. So that's I am going to compile that and download into my PLC to check that. And I am just going online. So let's see what's how it's going to work. First of all, I am just monitor Z to 1, and if our AND gate opens, we will see it will start counting, and then after the counting you will see the work is done. So I'm just going to make it 0. So that's how these things timers are going to work, and you just do every operations by just drag and drop like that, and paste your output like that. Or if you want to a negative, so just put like there, you will see that just you will draw like that. It is only a PD. It don't anything change. It is very same to, you will see that. And then a counter, if I am just going to put a timer there, so you will see the timer there. And if I am going to make a comparator, so you will see I am just putting a comparator there. So I don't think I need to put there, so you will see a comparator, and against a comparator also there. So you will make an output there like that and like that, and I think so. I think these are the just basic operations of comparator. You will compare there, and math functions to sub and multiply. You will also edit that, subtract and calculate like that, and you will use the move function there, like this en. So you will see it will very easy. Just drag and drop on your network to create what do you want. So these are just basics FBD. You don't need something more, because FBD is same like a language, a ladder language, but just basics operations are different, but all the advanced options are same. So you don't need to understand full FBD. You just understand basics. Then if your ladder language is strong, then you will easily make everything you want to learn. So just you are going to use a jump and add a level jump to, you will see that level there, and just name it new, and you will name it a new there. So how jump gonna work in ladder FBD? So you will see it will all same like uh, ladder language. So you don't need to understand it is, because you don't face any difficulties to understand ladder, because ladder is easy and very, I think more very easy, because if you understand the ladder, you will easily understand an FBD. So that's it. I'm just going to show you how these FBD is going to work. You will watch my previous videos for for our ladder, for a basics understandings of FBD language. So I think that's it. So thank you very much. I just completed my FBD language training. Only 2 lectures you watch, because the ladder language, if you expert in you have a great command on ladder, you will easily understand FBD. So I think that's it. So thank you very much for watch my video, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, and don't forget, in the descriptions I give links of Indosoft SCADA, Ignition SCADA, Factory IO tutorials, and TIA portals as well. So and in the description my contact number is there, so if you want to contact me, my WhatsApp is available. I am available on WhatsApp. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel. So thank you.